Bayan spoke for the entire Congress. I think Senator Sabiri spoke for the entire Senate.
Pero if you will be replaced, that would be still binding, even if the new majority leader.
Kasi it's just a matter of ratifying what they agreed on. As a matter of fact, they passed it already. Di ba? Last week pa, they passed the agreement already. So whether Congressman Andaya is majority leader or not, okay din.
Sir, mamaya niyo ba i-recall yung bill? Hindi pa nare-recall, di ba, sir?
Baka gawin na rin namin.
Tsaka pala sila magka-convene for the...
Hindi na magbabay ka. Hindi na magkukumbin.
Hindi na wala ng convene.
Hindi na magkukumbin. Yung dapat agreehan yun na yun. Parang naging paper by count. Advance.
Basta kailangan i-recall niyo muna, sir, then paper by count,
Then
go back
approve
to
the
notification.
ang nakikita ko mangyayari, ang possible na mangyayari mamaya, we recall the adoption and then we receive and place into the records the new version that the House has adopted or that the House has passed, and we will adopt.
Right there and then yung adoption.
Para wala na talaga bike. Kasi ang i-adopt namin doon, napag-usapan na nila eh, ando doon mismo.
And then sir, to be submitted agad sa
To be submitted agad to, enrolled copy agad to the President.